Hello everybody, welcome back to Naoko's Happy Donabe Life. Today's recipe is oil sardine rice, which is called Iwashi no Takikomi Gohan in Japanese. Oil sardines are the great items to store in your kitchen pantry. They are great in umami flavors and packed with nutrients. So let's begin. So here are the ingredients. Here's short grain rice already rinsed and drained, and dashi stock, or you can use just the water or your choice of stock. Sake, soy sauce, and ginger cut into very thin shreds, and the oiled sardines. So I use donabe. So it's ready. So I garnish with the chopped chives. Okay, oil sardine rice is ready. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the rice. Looks so nice. Then you can scoop into a bowl. Beautiful chives, and this is sansho pepper. So let's taste. So I like this with a little bit of sansho pepper, which gives a nice citrusy kick. And I also suggest you use a spoon because there's sardines oil, really rich oil in it, so it's easier to scoop. And this dish is so easy to make, and it's always so flavorful. So delicious. For the sardines, you can use any brands of sardine or sardine you like, but the kind I like is called Tiny Tots. It's the white cod sardine from Norway, and they're relatively smaller pieces, and also the flavor is really good. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Donabe Life!